Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing it really well. Today I've got a box for you that I've not had before. I'm very excited. I feel like I've not filmed a proper video that wasn't a vlog in like a month, but we shall power through and see how we go. The company is called BackSnackers. They contacted me before we went to Canada and they were launching the box and they wanted to know if I would review a box. And I was like, hell yeah. They had some really good jokes as well in the emails that they sent me, which I love. It was like a real person and not just a generic email where they're like, you have a YouTube channel, do the box. They knew about me and what I like, and they did, and I just really liked it. So I thought, you know what, I will do. They currently have the Discovery Pack, which is this one, which is $13.99 a month. And you get 6 snacks from a distant land, the BackSnackers guidebook with snacktivities, fact, music, language tips and more, the BackSnackers snack menu so you know what you're snacking on, and free UK shipping. But then, I'm just on their website now reading this, which is why I'm looking here because my phone is here. They will have the Adventure Pack, which is $22.99, coming soon, which will be 12 snacks. And then they'll have the Expedition Pack, which will be $45.99 a month with 24 snacks and 2 drinks. So I do have a discount code for you guys, which they've very kindly given me. It's WhatLose10, and it is 10% off your subscription for life. And that is the first 100 people that want to do it from watching this video. So you can get 10% off for life. I think Ben is now coming downstairs, so he can come and sit with me and try some snacks. We'll get this open as soon as he comes down. So give me a second and wait for Bender. Ben is here.
Homework.
Yeah. Give me a very large knife to undo the box. If it's your first time here, I apologise about Ben. He just likes to sit and be creepy. He likes a snack box. Compostable packaging, you like that? Ooh, so...
What is that noise?
What? Like a woo? It's because it's an American box. Go to the USA. I fucking love me some American snacks. Crunchy Cheetos, I can see. So we've got our BackSnackers book, which has got the snacktivities in it, which has got like quizzes and stuff. American Idols. It's got a recipe for key lime pie. And then yeah, we've got the little piss off. We've got the little fuck off.
This bit
Whatever. Stop. Yeah, so we've got that. And we've got a postcard. Oh my god, it's a moon pie. I've never had one of these.
You are a moon pie.
So we've got moon pies. We've got salted caramel and banana. Let's try a salted caramel one. It says moon pies are popular across the USA and are made up of 2 marshmallows sandwiched between 2 biscuits. Oh my god. They're massive. God, they smell good. Oh my goodness, that smells really good.
Softer than I thought it was going to be.
That's nice. I'm going to let the kids have the banana one. That's yummy. But I think it does say there's 3 servings per one of those. Ben would literally eat the whole thing, wouldn't you? Yeah, he probably will after this, to be honest. Next, we've got some Chips Ahoy cookies.
Mika's favourite.
We've literally got some of those over there because obviously we've just been back from Canada and we brought a lot of stuff home. But Chips Ahoy, these are bigger than the ones that we had. They're yummy. They're yummy cookies. They're way better than the not the ones here, the fancy ones, not the Maryland.
Maryland.
Yeah, they're way better than Maryland cookies. We got.
What flavour are they? It's like a hint of coffee.
I think so. They're just normal. Classic.
They do.
We got Jolly Ranchers. I'm gonna let Ben try one of these. Careful not to bite down too hard. I am having an implant done on my tooth soon, so I do not want to risk eating something that is too hard. We've got a Butterfinger. This is Assumption
It's
layered
fused with the packet.
crisp peanut butter core covered with creamy chocolate.
Peanut butter.
Yes, peanut butter. That sounds delicious. Ari is going to want to steal this. Sounds like a Reese's cup. Oh, no. Oh, it's crunchy. Mmm.
It is good, Dee.
That's really good. Get your face out. It's trying to focus on you. You can't. It doesn't want to do it. There you go. It's like a... I don't know how to describe it.
It's crunchy-ish.
Yeah, but it's peanut butter.
Peanut butter.
That's really good. Ari's going to love that.
You hold this.
Why?
I'll try it.
Okay. But it has got like the texture of honeycomb. Like it's all stuck in my teeth like a crunchy does. Nice, isn't it?
It's like crumbled honeycomb.
It's really good, but it's obviously peanut butter and not honeycomb. That is sticky as shit. Oh, it tastes nice though. And then lastly, I've never had these before, ever. I did not pay 11 or 12 pounds a bag while I was pregnant with Fox to have these imported. I definitely didn't do that multiple times. Definitely did not do that. These were my favourites for like the longest time. And then I found the Flaming Hot ones. All Cheetos, oh my god, they're still so good. All Cheetos is like my favourite, but it has to be crunchy. This drives me insane. You don't have any more, you've lost your chance now. You're done. Because they're so hard to find in the UK, you have to import them. Because no matter what anyone says, you can't buy them from Home Bargains or anything, you have to get the imported ones. Because they don't taste the same. I like to savour them and I just do one at a time, and then he does that and makes me want to like...
I savoured it.
Kick him in the face. So yeah, I really like that. That was a really good box. Thank you so much for sending it to me. I will leave all the links down below. Oh, here's a cat. We can't have a video without at least one cat coming in.
Here's going in the sink.
Here's Gary. Guy. Oh, Guy. Ben doesn't like Gary. Get him, Gary. Pow, pow. Yeah, I'm really happy with that. I got my Cheetos, and the girls are going to love that as well. Let me know what you guys think. You can eat the moon pie if you want.
Maybe later.
Thumbs up. Thank you for sending it to me. All the links will be down below. And yeah, keep an eye out. You can get 10% off your subscription for life. For life. Thanks for watching. Bye.